Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another MJ video here about legalization, what it could cost pharmaceutical companies billions of dollars. Not that really anybody cares about that unless you have a bunch of pharmaceutical stocks, and then those could go down. But everybody that I know of and talk to wants MJ to become legalized, may as well, and tax it and make some money off of it, and just go forward with it. So, but this is out on the 14th, so kind of a new article here. But a few weeks ago appeared a peer-reviewed research article published in the journal PLOS ONE provided compelling data on how MJ is impacting the pharmaceutical industry. For many years, we have written about the risk pharmaceutical companies could face with the legalization. The numbers do not lie. The numbers are saying that MJ legalization is associated with a decrease in the stock market returns for pharmaceutical companies. Unfortunately, the pharmaceutical industry, the MJ industry, is barely in the first inning of the growth cycle. That's why I've always said it's a long-term hold for me. So in these for probably 5, 10, probably more like 15 years, and I think you're going to see the biggest return out of some of these. So currently, and I've talked about them before, GW Pharmaceuticals, I think the ticker's GWPH, is the best known operator for FDA-approved MJ treatments. Last year, Jazz, J-A-Z-Z, is their ticker. I've talked about them as well. Acquired GW for $7.6 billion, and we expect to see more acquisitions in the future as additional MJ-based treatments progress through FDA clinical trials. According to the author of the peer-reviewed research article, returns decrease in response to both medical and recreational legalization for both generic and brand drug makers. Investors anticipate a single legalization event to reduce drug maker annual sales by $3 billion on average. The study found that drug makers lose approximately $10 billion for each legalization event, and that number is substantial since medical MJ is legal in around 40 states and territories of the United States. They are considering the data research article to be powerful and expect these types of studies to play a role in how MJ sector attracts big pharmaceutical companies over the coming years. And so, just as it says there, I mean, I've pointed that out before, that some of these big pharmaceuticals could just go in and buy out some of the MJ companies, and you're going to see that happening. I mean, Constellation Brands has already dumped money into CGC, Canopy Growth. I think Coors invested in Hexo, Molson Coors, and I'm sure there's a couple others out there that I'm missing, but that's what's going to happen. Like Altria, Philip Morris, British Tobacco, I think BTI, could just go in and buy up some of these MJ companies, the big tobacco companies. They're losing sales. They're still profitable, but they're still losing sales. But they've also considered the biotech side of the MJ sector to be the most attractive vertical. During the last year, we have seen some Canadian licensed producers announce biotech focus initiatives, and believe our readers need to be aware of the trend. So I just thought it was kind of an interesting article. I was just kind of researching on legalization, and this one came up, and so just thought it was kind of interesting to do a quick video on it. And that's it for this one. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just state my opinion. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.